Hi everybody. In this video we're going to talk about tuples. Tuples are a very basic idea, so this won't be very long. I'll probably make one more video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Right now, I'm into making Python videos. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, you're going to open Python IDLE. I'm going to make a bonus video on how to open it if you can't get it to open. I'm first going to type in example to show you a tuple. So this would be an example of a tuple. They're just lists, but you don't use square brackets, you use regular parentheses. Also, you can't add stuff. So if you remember, in the last video, I taught you how to add stuff to your list, delete items. You can't do this to tuple. So that would be like my example list equals my example list. So this is the example list. So what I could do, I could delete I could add stuff. Maybe I could add the word hi to this, but I can't do that with this. So sometimes you will use a tuple if maybe it's good to know something you can't change. But normally you would, so since you can't change tuples, you have to think before you add stuff. Like let's say you have something called characters, so like called characters in my game equals, like a penguin, maybe a lion. Let's see, so you enter. But maybe you wanted to add a tiger. You have to think before you do that. So you should probably use lists, but sometimes it's more helpful to use tuples. In the next video, I'm going to talk about maps. I hope you enjoyed this video, and once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. After you do that, click the like button, and in the comment section, type the word shoutout, and I'll give you a shoutout in the next video. Bye!